we're waiting for like the longest line just for the Hello Kitty Cafe. And it's about the size of a taco truck.
And it's like the longest line of Black Friday.
Yeah, it reminds us of Black Friday. Here, let me see. Oh, I can't switch it.
Bad day.
Bad day? Wait. Oh, wait, that's the line behind us, which is only taking 15 minutes. And then that's the line that we already waiting for. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Isn't it?
You see a little emblem on it?
Yeah.
That is something else.
I already ate Hello Kitty's face off already, so now I'm going to try the apples. They're little cakes. Lemon. Yum. I'm not impressed. No. I don't know. Chocolate, blue stuff.
It's kind of bad. Yeah, I like milk.
Those are the macaroons. And these are the cookies. I'm gonna try the blue. I waited 4 hours for this water.